Hey, oh boy, ladies and gentlemen, now welcome to the late night show. Mwah. All right, so now welcome. How on our weekend take go? Hope everybody did very, very okay, and your weekend go very, very beautiful. Saturday come, you rock am. Sunday come, you still rock am. Join. Any which way, now today be Monday, the first day of the week, and our Ginger Monday night be this one. The day will come, God's given us some kind of better gist, you know. And still on top of the whole thing, now still New Year. So some gingeracious ginger move. You know what I mean? So as it be like this now, ladies and gentlemen, sit back last today we will knock on some kind of sensible gist. You understand me now? So today, as usual, we'll carry our bros inside the building. After I don't see budget.
But with the swapping things like SIM card,
hey,
they swap things.
People can't find different. If you see messages, they can't send.
Oh no,
some people say if you go buy suya, check the newspaper. If you be missing budget,
I didn't tell you.
Some people say and just look around you. I'm Nigerians, yeah, but seriously, if be like who they say forget his name, people go ask you how.
So what's your name, your date of birth? They say I don't remember.
Just when they hear say missing budget, I say nobody they supposed to even talk out.
Talk out. A whole nation.
Yeah, but anyway, I just feel say sometimes they like action film for this country. If like you get one person they appoint for government house, so you know it's in there. Your work now say just talk nonsense. Make it just affect the whole country. Then the country will just shift their mind from one particular subject, enter another one. Because for that period, oh man, forget any other wahala we do. You forget the missing budget. Sometimes, now this for scarcity. One person you announce from nowhere. You know, go yes, say there will not be petroleum.
You know, you could just come talk the Nigerians will begin wrong.
So now they even hear corruption, now they hear who thief, now they hear those ones again. Now some kind of wahala. Now they see budget loss. Hey, this country, forget it. Anyway, welcome, and we love our beautiful country. No guy I want to be.
Sir.
We still love Nigeria. So sit back, relax, ladies and gentlemen. The show you have started. DJ Easy Beat, take it away, and we will come back. Gentlemen, welcome back. As usual, my name is Ogbolo, and of course, we get DJ Easy Beat on the ones and the twos.
Yes, sir.
You know how we roll. We know how we roll. So for the first time in how many months, we jumped that one. But we are only a human beings, just as you know, plenty things on the full head. And part of the video we'll talk about today will be our Ginger Monday, and about goals. And setting goals. It is very, very important. Say, you know, as the year just start like this, an opportunity for you to restart again. If like last year you want to achieve some kind of things, now your opportunity to restart again. Open fresh page. Start to write the plan. You got to plan. Even though yes, they just say God do, and definitely as human beings we won't plan our own, and God still gets his own. But you know, get how you go to be. You said need to plan. All right. So today we'll talk about goals, how to set goals, you know, and how to achieve them last. Because to set now one thing, to write now one thing, to achieve now other thing. Now two different things entirely. All right. So just sit back. No worry. You go hear the full gist. All right. Oko number one. One. Oko. Ofu. Daya. Ofu. I mean one for Igbo.
Oh.
Daya. Na see one for Hausa. Okon. Na see one for inside Yoruba. Okpa.
Na one for Benin.
For Benin. Okpa. It sounds like fruit. All right. So for my cocoa number one this morning, very, very importantly, you know, we dey always do our best to make sure say we talk to parents or guardians or elder brothers, elder sisters wey get young people dem for house, on how to take build up the self-esteem of their children, of the small ones dem. No be for now this one na gendered gist. Toddler. Now be say na smally o. Now be say never even enter 5 years old.
Yeah.
Toddler. This boy now, he just reason say me come o. For in school wey in dey, when all of them is small, he get one that girl wey old pass and small. When they try catch the girl attention, but the girl no dey reason am. Instead, the girl dey shout for him head. The girl dey rude to am, dey mean to am. You understand? Say how she go dey follow small boys dey relate. All of them see that toddler this, but that was just old pass and small. Say she no dey follow small boys. Say you get one that guy wey she dey always follow relate. That one big pass him. That one big pass her. That one the girl dey follow dey relate. So him na your verse come house one day, just enter their gym. Then the mama come say, "Oh boy, come o. What is Smally Siam? What is Smally like you? They go do for gym." Now the boy come tell the mama, "His name na Brody Lee Smith. He say a man has got to do what a man has to do. You understand? Say because he's small like this, say forget. Say this small body na sickness. Say this small body dey fall in hand. Okay, I go read what he tell him mama. He say, "I'm practicing on the bike riding. I've got someone to meet who is going to be my best friend. I'm trying to get stronger so I can show her, so I can be her best friend. So she doesn't have to be rude to me all day because all she has been is rude. So I am trying to get stronger so she would not yell at me and do all that rude thing to me." He said, mama come ask her and say, "Being strong, will it make the difference or whether she get go see shout for your head?" Say, but Brody, na be the boy name, come to say no. Say in the beef up to become stronger than another boy we did. Say apparently another guy they the girl always give attention. He say a guy has got to do what a guy has got to do. He say he's a kid bigger than me. Now be that boy you. He say and I'm going to get bigger than him because I'm an athlete. Hey, Brody. But last he say he go chop. He say I have to get stronger so I'll not be weak. So I'll grow big and old and strong. I will eat junk. Smally. And a toddler. This toddler wey dey talk like say na Smally o. Say okay, you know how to tell when you have to dey waka too. And she be una go see him picture. But really, really.
So all these white children.
All these white children. Their own sharpness too much.
They too much.
And I wonder what they really because they exposed to too many things. That sentence where you make say a man has got to do what a man has got to do. Where is mama? Which man you be? What do you want to go with your? Which man you be? See, I see this Smally. He say he don't want bounce on top of that bounce this thing. But any which way, last, it's very important. Say we need to instill some kind discipline, some kind yarns for small children head to make them realize say, not really about the body sometimes. You guys to know what's up inside body because that's what they start to. This one now, small time like you say this guy you all grow up, man. So say wait. But anyway, which way, how you feel about the gist? Make I know on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Whether it dey okay for Smally to go the gym, be it's supposed just the enjoy your small
pikin life. Smally now. It's not small.
This one people Smally get as small. That's small. Na little. Voila. Any which way, Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the Coco.
All right, this one happened for Ghana. For Ghana, for Kotokom, for inside Ashanti region, for inside Ghana.
Lava.
What think Coco happen for this one now? The man they owe the woman money.
Okay.
From the whole thing, I don't know how the money matter take happen, whether they involved for one kind of business, I don't know. But apparently the man they owe the woman money. So it's like they don't drag, and the man a 50 years old man, his name now Thomas Dako. The woman, what's be her name? Abena Sewa. Now be her own name. Now she go block am and say, "Oga, come give me my money." One thing lead to another thing, fight can't start. Now the woman hold land for John Thomas.
Bala.
He hold land for say, Guess what can happen last? Yeah. As they follow the man, they drag, they turn the thing to like say she want on generator. Leave me, fight. Now the thing just cut. He cut. He separate. He cut him. Can't hold part of the thing for hand.
You can't let it.
The remaining one can't hold it. Like, everywhere scatter. Gbege, hey, John Thomas, so he don't go, John the one place, Thomas in the other side. Wait till that, and the rush guy go hospital. As they reach hospital now, they try do, say okay, whether that thing go see there okay, whether they will see try. Meanwhile, owner of load say hey, last, so they come out for that hospital, he come dey piss blood.
Yeah.
But wetin go happen? Oga don die o. Oga don die. So now family now come talk say okay, make dem carry am go for autopsy. Make dem see, make dem come know the next action to come take on top of the whole level. Because that woman they go hold am.
Obviously now.
Life don't go now.
She don't get where she dey go now.
No, life don't go. That's the reason why, last at the end of the day,
Top how much?
no matter how the money take be, no fit replace life. Even if the man sit there alive, no fit replace John Thomas. So please, as you dey vex your vex, no matter even if you dey right,
try control.
Try to control yourself, just hold yourself, because what you feel do out of anger, feel worse past what you cause the fight in the first place. So coordinate yourself, help yourself to avoid wahala. Everything will be prayer point. Some things that you just give yourself brain. You understand? Because this woman, I not get how.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, they go hold you for you and police now turn to best friend, and you go know say to react out of anger most times. Because imagine the kind pull.
At the grip.
The kind pull she go down the pull.
To reach that level.
That means she pull them intentionally. Say you, because we know.
This is not wasting their gum more. This is not follow come.
Now follow come.
Follow come.
They not be attaché, not be biro cover. Wait for just come out. No, this one come on. I'm not saying that skin, no. Not be skin follow that. It just come out. But anyway, please control yourself. Now the most important thing is that control yourself. No matter how the thing be, if they find you trouble, now if you enter trouble, last. All right. So cocoa number 3.
I'm in love with the cocoa.
Everybody wait outside there, make sure say you do your best possible not to fall under the hands of some scam people them on top internet. Because the matter be like this now, they scam people anyhow.
Where?
And people they desperate these days to succeed. So out of say they scam for religious matter. They scam on to say come for prayers for one place. They scam if they find job online. This girl now, I know I mentioned the telecommunication company where she go find work for online. No be she send everything and they can't send an email. Say come. Okay, you know what will happen now? Say you go need to touch yourself. Now be masturbation though. Make I read them out. How the whole thing take be. Now the message they consent give the girl back be this. Say hello Mrs. Busola, you applied for a customer care representative position at and they say they get 24 spots open for customer care representatives where we are to shortlist 3 candidates for each position for an interview. That's 72 in total. Say I'm part of the HR in blah 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 blah. I have gone through your CV, but sorry, you won't be shortlisted. But I can assist you to get the interview. This is unethical, and I'm aware of it. All you need to do is if you are still interested, just make a short video of you masturbating. You don't need to show your face. Send it so I can pleasure myself with it, and I will immediately forward your CV. By next week, we will get an interview invite for you. I can put in a good word for you, but that's how far I can go. You will have to battle your way through 3 other applicants. Regards, Dave Usat. Yeah? So now you say, and what's going to happen? We say, the girl now, as she see that thing, because of her desperation, say she won't get job. Because she say she won't work. She not already carry phone, no. Put say, making video himself. You can't go ask one of your friends, say, okay, see what I get to. How far? Make I do am. Then the friend say, if he go be scam, then they do. Then she come munch that thing we read now. Come munch am. Come put them online. Say make people talk. And from there, people come they talk, plenty. People they give their own experience. Then she say, scam. But my own they more in the desperate part.
Yeah.
It go shock you what people they do out of desperation.
To get something.
Because their body do say, okay, they don't to try. They can't see one opportunity. They can't say, come bring down yourself to get this opportunity. And some people will can't go bring down themselves. Ladies are beg. Women are beg. We take God beg una. Muna they hold herself for this thing. Because we know say somehow, it is easier to convince women.
Yeah.
Once you don't say, okay, opportunity, it is easier. When I just hold herself, and God go help una last. I beg. Because this kind of thing, now small thing, not that her friend, we hold am back. She for don't do am.
Yeah.
She for don't do am. Even though they say no show your face, but at the end of the day, leave anything.
You don't come off our ways.
Because idiots they full outside though.
A lot.
Idiot. No, forget say some they wear suit oh. Not be everybody wear suit normal though.
Even clothes.
Some people are well packaged craze, well packaged colo people. So I beg, hold yourself and God will help you. If you know say una just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.